Got some good pan-sized trout to fit in the smoker. Put them in a brine solution. For every litre of water, we put 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, and we let them sit for 12 to 20 odd hours. It really lets them marinate and get that sweetness through them. Now, I've got the Primal Smoker. I love it because it's just so compact and easy to throw in the car and take on a trip with you. All we need to create the heat, because it's a hot smoke, is a bit of metho. I love hickory flavour, so we've got hickory. Cover the bottom of our smoker with our hickory, put the grill on top of the sawdust, pat dry our fish. There's a bit of wind around, so we're using this amazing granite windbreak. You can see it's starting to smoke now, in 15, 20 minutes. Have a look at that. Beautiful. You can see how that skin's been coloured up. Peel the skin off, get a butter knife, run that butter knife along the lateral line and just push the flesh away from the bone. Fresh grainy bread, bit of butter, bit of salad, and that is going to be absolutely sensational.